In recent years, Amazon has emerged as a global powerhouse, revolutionizing the way people shop and creating opportunities for individuals to make money through its vast online marketplace. If you are in the United States and looking for ways to earn income, Amazon offers various avenues to explore. Whether you are a copywriter, investor, journalist, or simply seeking additional financial resources, this article will guide you on how to make money on Amazon in the United States. By leveraging the platform's reach, tools, and services, you can tap into a thriving ecosystem and potentially boost your income. So, let's delve into some practical strategies that can help you unlock the money-making potential of Amazon. How to make money on Amazon in the United States. 1. Selling products on Amazon. One of the most popular ways to make money on Amazon is by becoming a seller. You can create your own online store and list products to sell on the platform. Whether you choose to sell new or used items, engaging in retail arbitrage, or creating your own unique products, Amazon provides a vast customer base and streamlined logistics to support your business. Utilize Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, to store, pack, and ship your products, enabling you to focus on scaling your business and increasing sales. If you are liking or finding the video interesting, give me a like, subscribe and comment to find out if I can continue talking about this topic. We continue. 2. Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. If you have a flair for writing and a desire to publish your own books, Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, platform offers an excellent opportunity. Self-publishing your ebooks through KDP allows you to tap into Amazon's extensive customer base of Kindle readers. With minimal upfront costs, you can earn royalties on every sale. Whether you write fiction, nonfiction, or even children's books, KDP empowers you to monetize your creativity and reach a global audience. 3. Amazon Associates Program. If you have a blog, website, or a strong social media presence, the Amazon Associates program can be a lucrative option. By joining this affiliate marketing program, you can earn a commission by promoting Amazon products and driving traffic to the platform. Simply create unique affiliate links for products, and when a visitor makes a purchase through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. This program offers flexibility and can be combined with content creation or product reviews to maximize your earning potential. Conclusion. Amazon's dominance in the e-commerce industry has created a wealth of opportunities for individuals in the United States to make money. Whether you choose to sell products, publish ebooks, or become an Amazon affiliate, the platform provides access to a massive customer base, efficient logistics, and powerful tools to support your ventures. However, it's important to approach these opportunities with a solid business plan, market research, and dedication to customer satisfaction. By leveraging the resources and services offered by Amazon, you can carve out your niche, generate income, and potentially achieve financial success. So, embrace the possibilities and embark on your journey to make money on Amazon in the United States. If you liked the video, I would appreciate it if you give a like, subscribe and comment to see if I continue talking about this topic. Thank you.